Hello guys, I'm Uncle Longbeard and today I will tell you a few words about about that. Yeah? What is it? This is the original BMW tank bag for BMW R nineT. So what do I think about the tank bag after doing 7,000 miles? First of all, let's look around. The way you attach that to your bike is, first of all, by this on front, and then on the back there is a strap down there. See? It's got the place for a map or a phone or whatever that is. It should be watertight. You can roll it on and it will be obviously waterproof if you do that. And I checked it in torrential rains and it works really well. But also you can unroll it, open it, and there are those rubber bands, so you can keep it open in case if it's not raining. So you cannot detach this waterproof piece. Now let's talk about the size of that. The size is, I think it's like 12 liters or something like that. Yes, of course you've got bigger tank bags, but I think they look just ridiculous, especially if you want the bike to look reasonably good. Obviously the tank bag for R nineT or any classic should look good, and this is just R nineT specific one, but I think it's good. What I put here, I keep my camera inside this. This is the made out of foam, so it keeps my camera slightly better off when it comes to vibrations, because on the bottom of that, this is just a rubberized thing. The zip is here, it's water resistance, so it is like that. On top of that you've got this, so you can put it on there over the top of it, so it should protect everything. And just in case, at the last case, the waterproof insert, which is made of rubberized nylon. When you open it, it's really reasonably big, so you've got enough space for everything else like glasses and even your small drone. What else is good? It's pretty stiff here. Now it's empty and it's keeping the shape, see? What bad can I say about that bag? The bad thing is there is nothing to separate your luggage inside. No pockets, nothing whatsoever, just open space here. This is not, that pouch is not waterproof. Well, maybe the material itself is, because it's quite a thick fabric. It's waxed cotton or something like that, so possibly it will be water resistant as well. However, overall I found a bit of congestion here, but no congestion, no moisture inside of that. Obviously this is completely waterproof and that's really good. So what's bad? One thing which is bad, I said, there is no separation inside, no pockets, nothing like that, and it would be nice to have it. Another bad thing is the bottom of that tank bag is pretty hard, so if you want to keep the camera inside you need some extra foam, something like that, and obviously it's taking away some space. The last thing, which is in my opinion the worst, this is black. This should be black, but it lost the blackness. Can you see that now here? That's more black, right, than this. It's kinda reddish, especially when it's exposed to the sun. It will get kinda bleached. And well, if you don't trust me on that, look at those pictures. Here it's most visible. See how red it is? It really is. But there is a solution for that, which I've already tested, which is, ta-da! It says black canvas dye, but actually that one is made specifically for convertible car roofs. You can simply use this and it will work again. So let's try to make it right. Suitable for all kinds of canvas, such as convertible car and boat roofs and soft tops. Brings back the black to all kinds of black canvas, blah 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 blah. So I don't know if you can already see the difference. The difference is visible. This part is done, the bottom part is as it was. I hope it was helpful for you, and if it was, give me thumbs up and obviously subscribe to the channel. If it wasn't, tell me why. Thanks for watching guys, cheers!